Here I have REALME C30, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can find add logo watermark, add time watermark. So let's add them both and try to make a photo just to see how it will look like. So as you can see, here we have our device watermark and also a timestamp. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.